This year our town was hit by floods. They weren't bad enough to close the pub, but the water got into our cellar. And my daughter's stamp collection was ruined. We decided to save what we could with the aid of my Microfleur press.
First I had to get the stamps out of the album by pulling it apart. Some were really stuck and I had to cut around them. Then I gave them all a soak in really hot water with a drop of dishwashing detergent. I was soon able to separate the stamps from the rubbish. I used a brush to clean the stamps. And to take out any wrinkles. I then covered them with the cotton layer and then the felt. And finally the outer cover. I clipped it together and put the press in the microwave. It's important not to microwave for more than 1 minute at a time. Dad put some in for 3 minutes once and they all caught on fire. After the minute was up, I opened the press and wiped the moisture off the inside of the covers. I let it all cool and then put it back in for another minute. I repeated this 4 times, letting it cool between each time. At last they were done. I opened the press and all my stamps were ready to mount in a new album. Thanks, Microfleur.